Hello design enthusiasts! Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today we're diving deep into a design element that can dramatically alter the ambience and visual appeal of your living area: the modern drop ceiling designs. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing for more home decor and design tips. If you're looking to elevate your space and add a touch of contemporary elegance, you're in the right place. Let's begin by defining what we mean by a modern drop ceiling design for your living area. Simply put, a drop ceiling, also known as a suspended ceiling, is a secondary ceiling installed below the main structural ceiling. In a modern context, this isn't just about hiding unsightly pipes or wiring. It's about creating architectural interest, incorporating strategic lighting, and defining distinct zones within your living space. Modern drop ceilings are characterized by clean lines, minimalist aesthetics, and the use of innovative materials. They are designed to integrate seamlessly with the overall interior design, enhancing both form and function. This is more than just a lowered ceiling. It's a deliberate design choice to enhance the room's character. Now, why should you consider a modern drop ceiling for your living area? The benefits are numerous. Firstly, they significantly improve acoustics. By creating an air gap between the original ceiling and the drop ceiling, sound absorption is greatly enhanced, minimizing echoes and creating a more comfortable environment. Secondly, they offer unparalleled flexibility for lighting design. Recessed lighting, LED strips, and pendant lights can be integrated seamlessly, creating layered lighting effects that transform the mood of the room. Thirdly, drop ceilings allow for the concealment of unsightly elements like wiring, ductwork, and uneven surfaces, resulting in a cleaner, more polished look. They also provide insulation, reducing energy costs by maintaining a more consistent temperature. Finally, they can visually lower a high ceiling, creating a more intimate and cozy atmosphere. In essence, a modern drop ceiling is a multifunctional design element that adds both aesthetic and practical value to your living area. How to decorate my living area with drop ceiling to look good. Decorating your living area with a drop ceiling requires careful planning and consideration. Start by assessing the room's dimensions and architectural style. Determine the desired height of the drop ceiling and how it will interact with existing features like windows and doorways. Consider the lighting plan early on, as this will influence the design of the drop ceiling. Think about incorporating different levels and shapes to create visual interest. For instance, a central recessed area with perimeter lighting can create a focal point. Integrate the drop ceiling with other design elements, such as wall treatments and furniture, to achieve a cohesive look. Don't hesitate to use bold colors or textures on the drop ceiling to add personality. Remember, the key is to create a design that complements the overall aesthetic of your living area while enhancing its functionality. What the best materials for modern drop ceiling design for living area? Selecting the right materials is crucial for achieving a modern drop ceiling design that is both stylish and durable. Several materials are popular for modern drop ceilings. Gypsum board, also known as drywall, is a versatile and cost-effective option, offering a smooth finish that can be painted or textured. MDF, medium-density fiberboard, provides a sleek, contemporary look and is ideal for intricate designs. Acoustic panels are excellent for enhancing sound absorption and are available in various finishes and colors. Metal panels, such as aluminum or steel, offer a modern, industrial aesthetic and are highly durable. PVC panels are water-resistant and easy to maintain, making them suitable for areas prone to moisture. Finally, wood panels, whether solid wood or veneer, add warmth and natural beauty to the space. The choice of materials should align with the desired aesthetic, budget, and functional requirements of your living area. Now let's explore top 10 best modern drop ceiling design ideas for living area to inspire your next project. 1. Recessed central panel with perimeter LED lighting. A large rectangular or circular recessed panel in the center of the ceiling with LED strip lighting around the perimeter creates a soft, ambient glow and defines the central area of the living room. 2. Layered gypsum board with varying heights. Using multiple layers of gypsum board at different heights creates a dynamic and visually interesting ceiling. This design allows for the integration of various lighting fixtures and can be customized to suit any room size. 3. Geometric pattern drop ceiling. Incorporate geometric shapes, such as squares, rectangles, or triangles, into the drop ceiling design. This adds a contemporary touch and creates a focal point in the room. 4. Acoustic panel grid design. Use a grid of acoustic panels to create a visually appealing and acoustically enhanced ceiling. This design is perfect for open-plan living areas where sound control is essential. 5. Metal panel linear design. Employ linear metal panels, such as aluminum or steel, to create a sleek and modern ceiling. This design is ideal for minimalist interiors and adds a touch of industrial chic. 6. Wood slat drop ceiling. Use wood slats to create a warm and inviting ceiling. This design adds texture and natural beauty to the living area and can be combined with recessed lighting for a dramatic effect. 7. Integrated cove lighting design. Incorporate cove lighting into the drop ceiling design to create a soft, indirect light source. This design adds a sense of depth and sophistication to the room. 8. Black drop ceiling accent. Use a black drop ceiling section to create a dramatic contrast and define a specific area, such as the entertainment zone. This design adds a bold and contemporary touch. 9. Curved drop ceiling design. Introduce curved elements into the drop ceiling design to soften the lines and create a more organic feel. This design is perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. 10. Custom perforated panel design. Use custom perforated panels to create unique patterns and lighting effects. This design allows for personalized expression and adds a bespoke touch to the living area. As you can see, modern drop ceiling designs offer a wealth of possibilities for transforming your living area. By carefully considering the design, materials, and lighting, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional. Remember, the key is to create a design that reflects your personal style and enhances the overall aesthetic of your home. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more inspiring interior design ideas. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know which drop ceiling design you like the most. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.